Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Osaka in Japan for the G20 Summit, and he was accorded a warm welcome at the Osaka airport. He was also welcomed by the people of the Indian community at the hotel. This will be Prime Minister Modi's sixth G20 Summit. Over the next 3 days, Prime Minister Modi will hold a range of bilateral and multiple engagements to articulate India's views on the global platform. And ahead of leaving for the summit, Prime Minister Modi tweeted saying that issues such as women empowerment, artificial intelligence and common efforts to address challenges like terrorism will be high on India's agenda. In his departure statement, PM Modi said that the G20 Summit will also be a platform for sharing India's strong developmental experience of the last 5 years, which provided the basis for a resounding mandate by the people of India. Prime Minister Modi said that he was looking forward to engaging with the leaders of our major partner countries on important issues of bilateral and global importance.